Welcome back, guys. I'm Mark Wong, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best RTX 5080 pre-built PCs in 2025. The RTX 5080 is one of the most powerful GPUs on the market today, only being surpassed by the RTX 5090. However, a standalone 5080 is basically sold out everywhere, so simply buying a pre-build instead of buying the components individually would probably be the next best thing, especially if you're looking forward to building a brand new system altogether. Now, the 5080 is undoubtedly a beast, with 16 gigabytes of GDDR7, which allows you to play on 4K resolutions at the highest settings with around 91 FPS on average, and up to 140 FPS on 1440p. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth pre-built 5080 PC on our list is the AVGPC FrostFire series, priced at $2,695.99, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. At its core, the FrostFire boasts the Intel Core i9-14900KF, a 14th gen 24-core processor with 8 performance cores, 16 efficiency cores, and 32 threads. With a turbo frequency of 6 gigahertz, this CPU is great for content creation and productivity tasks, which is Intel's strong point. Aside from that, it is also an extremely capable gaming CPU, although productivity is where this PC truly shines. Driving the visuals is the cutting-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GPU. It offers high-end ray tracing capabilities and AI-driven performance boosts, so you're sure to experience smooth frame rates at 4K in ultra-high settings, even in the latest AAA titles. The ASRock Intel Z790 ATX motherboard ensures maximum compatibility and stability, perfectly tuned for the 14th gen processor. It is also equipped with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 6000 MHz RAM, which is more than enough for streaming or content creation. It also boasts a 2 terabyte M.2 NVMe Gen 4 SSD, giving you enough room for games or files. To keep it cool, a 360mm AIO liquid cooler is used to keep it at the optimal temperatures. All of this is powered by a robust 1000 watt gold ATX 3.0 PCIe 5 PSU, allowing for more headroom just in case you want to upgrade in the future. The fourth pre-built 5080 PC on our list is the ABS Eurus Aqua gaming PC, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. The ABS Eurus Aqua has basically the same performance as the previous entry. It is also equipped with an Intel Core i9-14900KF, which makes it ideal for productivity tasks and also gaming. Of course, it also comes with the MSI GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7. The backbone of this build is the MSI Z790 motherboard, ensuring top-tier performance, stability, and compatibility with the latest Intel hardware. However, unlike our previous entry, this unit only offers 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz. Make no mistake though, this still offers great performance for content creation and streaming, and it also has 2 more vacant RAM slots just in case you want to upgrade in the future. As for storage, this build features a Kingston NV 2 terabyte SSD for fast load times. Keeping your CPU cool under pressure is the Gamdius Aura GL360 V2 all-in-one 360mm liquid cooler. Its triple fan design allows for optimum performance during CPU-intensive tasks or games. It also features a 1000 watt ABS ATX 3.080 plus gold PSU, offering reliability and a bit of room for upgrades in the future. The third pre-built 5080 PC on our list is the Yeyian Phoenix Iron Mesh, priced at $2,899.99, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. What makes the Phoenix stand out is that it is equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 285K processor, which boasts 8 performance cores, 16 efficient cores, and 24 threads. Now, the Intel Core Ultra 285K is the most powerful Intel processor on the market and is also the best processor for productivity tasks, while also proving to be a beast for gaming. Of course, we have the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GDR7 graphics card that comes with this build. For the motherboard, we have an Intel Z890 D5 Wi-Fi chipset. And for storage, a 2 terabyte NVMe SSD Gen 4. This system features 32 gigabyte of DDR5 6000 megahertz RGB gaming memory, giving you high-speed multitasking with a stylish touch of customizable RGB lighting to match your setup's aesthetic. Although, given the caliber of this setup, we'd think that a 64 gigabyte kit would make more sense in this setup. Keeping your CPU cool is a 360mm AIO liquid cooling system, complemented by a total of 7 ARGPWM cooling fans. Powering it all is an 850 watt 80 plus gold PSU. The second pre-built 5080 PC on our list is the ZOTAC Gaming MEK, priced at $2,949.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The ZOTAC Gaming MEK is equipped with the powerful AMD Ryzen 79700X, an 8-core, 16-thread AM5 processor capable of boosting up to 5.5 gigahertz. Now, unlike its Intel counterparts, this CPU is designed more for gaming. While it does still offer great productivity performance, of course, it's paired with the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 5080 Solid, which makes an undeniably powerful gaming rig. Keeping this powerhouse cool is a 360mm AIO liquid cooling system with an LED display, making it great for individuals who want to add a bit of flair to their setup. You also get 32 gigabyte of DDR5 RGB RAM running at 6400 megahertz. Power in the MEK, you've got a 1200 watt 80 plus gold certified PSU, making it ideal for big upgrades just in case you decide to max out your PC specs. The best pre-built 5080 PC on our list is the Skytech Chronos gaming PC, priced at $2,989.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The Chronos is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, a 4.7 GHz processor with a 5.2 GHz turbo boost frequency featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. Now, the 9800X3D is the most powerful gaming processor at the time of making this video, so if you want to experience the full power of the 5080, which of course comes with this desktop, then we highly recommend going for this build. In terms of storage, you have a 2 terabyte NVMe M.2 SSD with 32 gigabyte of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 megahertz. Featuring 360mm AIO liquid cooling, it delivers great cooling performance even as you play on those CPU-intensive games. The setup also features an 850 watt gold PSU to keep it running. And there you have it, folks, the best RTX 5080 pre-built PCs in 2025. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Mark signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.